What's up, everyone? I decided to start trying to make some tips for streamers, things that I wish I would have known maybe when starting out, or just things I found out along the way. So I am making this first video on the NVIDIA Broadcasting app. I don't know if you heard it before, but it is an amazing app. It's what gives me this nice blurred background here. It's not that I have a great camera. I am using a basic webcam, but the NVIDIA app allows you to have blurred backgrounds, green screen, no backgrounds. You can put in GIF backgrounds. I'm going to show you more on it now. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, help me out with a subscribe, a share, and yeah, let's move forward. So first thing is, again, it's called the NVIDIA Broadcast. I'm going to show you the website here. I have it up. You can go to nvidia.com/broadcast. Once you're here, of course, you're just going to click the download now button and click download now again. I already downloaded it. It's going to go to wherever you have your downloads at, of course. Here it is. Pretty basic, just like any other app. You'll double click it. You'll install it, and once you have it installed, it will look like this. And as you can see here, you have microphone settings, speaker settings, and camera settings. Right now we're going to be focused on camera settings today, and you can see I have a Logitech Brio as my webcam, and I currently have on the background blur, and you're going to see me remove it now by unchecking this box, and boom, now I have no more blurred background. This is how my camera normally looks. But we're going to turn it back on, and boom, nice blurred background. You can actually turn up the strength. I find that the more strength you turn up, though, the more unnatural it looks. I'm going to turn it all the way up here, and you see like a little bit of it has a little bit of like flicker here, a little bit. So yeah, I don't really like it to be quite that strong. I usually like mine maybe about a quarter of the way up, so it looks a little bit more natural. Maybe a little higher than that. Yeah, it's too high again. I can't get it to stop. Anyways, we can also do background removal. Now we got our green screen. As you can see the background of my wallpaper now instead of me on the camera. Here it looks like I have a black screen because it's a green screen. But if you actually look at the camera, wherever that's at, you'll see that you can see my wallpaper behind me. You can also replace the background with basically any GIF file. So you see here I have the matrix behind me. We also have fire. We could do fire. We can do Mario coins. Basically any GIF you want. You can literally play. Here's like a capybara that someone sent me just for fun. It's a capybara eating a watermelon. I don't know if you can actually see it here. My boy Freezing likes capybaras. Sent this to me. So there's the capybara. Yeah, you can. I usually keep mine on background blur when I'm streaming. Just I feel like it's more inviting. I sometimes do background removal as well. Also, you have an auto frame option here. You can turn on auto frame, and then the camera will literally follow you wherever you move, as you can see. And if you don't want to have it zoomed in that much, of course, you have camera control here. You can do brightness, contrast, saturation, all that kind of stuff. You could do zoom, focus, exposure. We'll turn down the zoom a little bit because now it's really zoomed in. And then again, we can move around, and the camera just follows us around. So it's a pretty dope app. I mean, it's basically like having a really expensive camera on a low budget, non-awesome camera, and it has a lot of cool features. I'll maybe go into I'll go into microphone and speaker settings maybe on another video. If you're interested, let me know. But that's pretty much it for the camera. Hopefully you liked the video. This is an amazing app. It's great for when you're streaming. So definitely I would suggest using it because it is a useful tool. So like I said, I'm going to do more of these tips for streamers. Please give me a like and subscribe. I stream every day with my son on YouTube. I stream by myself on Twitch. If you want to follow those, there's also a Discord. I'll put the links below in the chat, or below in the chat if you guys want to check it out. Leave comments, leave questions. I'll be happy to answer them. I think that's pretty much it for this video. Peace and love, everybody. Enjoy the video. I'll see you on stream, hopefully. Bye, guys.